Hi, my name is Hazrul and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today is the last video in this series, and we're gonna talk about if function. Okay, in case you missed the previous video, you can always check them down below the description. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into it. If function. If function is one of the most popular functions in Excel. It allows you to make logical comparison between a value and what you expect. So an if statement can have two results. The first result, if your comparison is true, then the second, if your comparison is false. The logical comparison are like equal to, greater than, and less than. The syntax for if function is equal sign if bracket logical test, comma value if true, comma value if false. A value can be number, logical test, text with double quotation, and cell reference, or can be a formula. I'm gonna show you an example as always.
Okay, we're back with another example for if function. First of all, we wanna check either this over budget or within budget. So we test it with if function. Equal sign if the logical test that we want to do, and we put the text. When you need to remember to add double quotation, so it will work out. Just if it's true, within budget, and if it's false, over budget, close bracket. There you go, and can continue if fill handle. Yeah, like that. There you go.
Okay, that's it for this video, if function. And by that, that's the end of this series. I want to thank all of you for supporting and watching this series. Okay, I hope all of these lessons are useful for all of you. So thanks for watching and bye bye.